Robots are replacing humans and the future of jobs is bleak. Yes, we have heard this some 2 years back. It all started in other countries and other thing. Okay, robots are replacing. So let us understand what this particular concept is. Robots replacing humans. Yes, according to a report by Oxford Economics, the robotics revolution is rapidly accelerating as fast-paced technological advances in automation, engineering, energy storage, artificial intelligence, and machine learning converge. The far-reaching results will transform the capabilities of robots and their ability to take over tasks once carried out by humans. Existing business models in many sectors will be seriously disrupted and millions of existing jobs will be lost. Now, it is estimated up to 20. Okay, can you just mute off the mic? Someone has switched on the mic. Yeah, thank you so much. It is estimated, I repeat this. It is estimated up to 20 million manufacturing jobs are set to be lost to robots by 2030. Front desk service and telecalling. Now, robots are being developed to receive and make automated phone calls, which is routine, repetitive, and predictable work. The hospitality industry, especially in countries like Japan, is gearing up to provide information, front desk services, storage services, as well as check-in and check-out services. In fact, there are hotels in Japan that involve a complete human-free experience. That means these robots are going to replace the place where the human work negligence can be removed off. But you can't put robots in each and every place. That's not possible. There are particular pocketed things. Let us understand where is that. According to yarn and cloth making industry. According to an ET report, India Inc. is turning to machines quicker than its global peers. That India's yarn and cloth making industry, amongst the most labor intensive in the country, have become the vanguard of automation speaks to the challenge. The sad reality is that those in the bottom tiers of the labor force will be the most severely hurt by automation. While the typewriter did not replace the stenographer completely, but taught people how to type instead. The fact of the matter is that robots leads to destruction of certain jobs and no amount of upskilling can replace them. That means even you upskill yourself, you can't replace a robot, but the robot will replace human. There are certain pocketed parts of the work which will come, but there will be some new areas also which will be coming where a person has to control the robots. Those are the new jobs. So new skill will be you have to learn. Now, Indian experience. Now, what is that? For India, which became a service-heavy economy before it fully industrialized, the consequences of robot automation are far more dire. This happens in any growing economies and other things. First, they will be all into agricultural things. Then they will be getting into industrial. Then they will move into service and those kind of stuff. The self-fulfilling cycle of India's manufacturing void means workers may not be fully equipped to move up the ladder or out of still large informal economy. Now, take it for example, this manual cleaners. You could be seeing that people are getting into the manholes, they are cleaning all those stuff. So these can be very well replaced by the robots. You're not going to lose anything out of that. Because of the COVID and other thing, a person gets affected. No, robot will not get affected. Correct. Of course, the virus will be there. That's a different issue. At least the loss of life is not there. A manual cleaner's job has now become high risk with the COVID-19 pandemic and rising levels of pollution. According to a news media report, using robots to handle disinfection and cleaning of shared environments and materials is not only a better option for public health, but it is a perfect example of how easily robots can do dirty, dangerous, and dull work processes. For instance, self-driving disinfectant robots are being used in Chinese hospitals to combat the coronavirus, while an MIT team in collaboration with the Greater Boston Food Bank and Ava Robotics developed a robotic system to disinfect surfaces using a UVC light, ultraviolet light, that is built into the base of a mobile robot. Now, one more area is doctors. Healthcare provider solutions from IBM Watson Health have helped hospitals and health systems optimize performance and improve care experiences. There are other hospitals, I think, coming up with, but this is the first hospital which started off, so, and the main one. Most of the places been changed into that. That's why this name has been taken up. Using core capabilities in data and analytics, The technologies like artificial intelligence, cloud, and blockchain has helped healthcare providers forge connections across the health ecosystem that drive smarter health. In future, your second medical opinion could come from a robot who has gone through terabytes of data to understand your illness. You go to a doctor, a human person, they will go for scans and other thing. If a robot is there, the robot itself will scan. Correct?